niggas on me, gon' back it up. No matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And it's Sunday night. I usually don't trade, but what I do is I examine the markets. And I just want to make this video as a quick update for you guys on what I'm looking at for this week. We got some big trades coming this week. I mean, it's written on the screen, it's written on the charts. Let's take advantage of them. So I want to do these quick little videos so you guys don't miss it. All right. So right now we're looking at two pairs. Okay. We're looking at GBPAUD and GBPJPY. Now I'm going to be sending these trades out to the team, but I at least want to get you guys understanding on what we're looking at. So let's go over to the charts real quick. So we got this big bullish move that came out and, you know, it just took off, really making higher highs. And now we're pulling back, right? So on this pullback, I want you to see that's on a 4-hour and it's already bouncing off my famous 50 moving average. So we already got the bounce there. And if I can zoom in for you, we got a nice little doji candle right here at the bottom of the 50, then another retest right here. So that's a beautiful thing. That's what we want to see. So what we can do now is pull out the fibs. Yep, pull out the fibs. You got to pull it out from, you can pull out the fibs from here, and you can see the golden zone has been touched, and that's where price rejected from. So there we go. And so that's what we're looking at. Now let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. Now you could trade this a couple different ways, but you can see the trend line has been broken right down there. It broke the trend line and retested, bouncing up. Now I'm looking at price to go up, right? Looking for price to keep shooting up. But in the meantime, you can take advantage of some scalp trades. So however you want to trade is up to you, but I'm giving you like an overall look at this thing. So let's go down to a 30 and you see a double top now. Right here and right here. So price could come back down and test this 50 one more time or close to it and then bounce up. So if you want to scalp it coming down off this double top, you could, but you need to do it quick. So that's why I'm getting this video out to you. Or you can leave the sell trade, the sell scalp trade alone, and you can just wait for your buy areas down here, right? So pull out the pivot points. And if you guys haven't checked out my pivot point strategy, please watch it. I'm going to link it right here at the top of the video. Please watch the pivot point strategy because it is absolutely incredible. And here we go. So this is the pivot point right here. It's a P. I don't know if you can see it, but this pivot point line right here is a P. So it doesn't matter, but that's a pivot point. It don't matter if it's an R1 or a P or whatever. We treat them all the same. So what price could do is after the, you know, from the double top is come down here. And if it don't get to the 50, it will at least start wicking out around this this pivot point and then come back up to the top, making a higher high. So that's what we're looking at with that. If you want to take advantage of it, go ahead. And that's the overall move for that. If you like these quick type of videos that's really practical, showing you what's happening in the market, please like this video. Get the word out. So, because I'm really trying to help people become profitable traders so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people around you. So please subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, honestly, you lacking out here in these Forex streets. All right. You lacking because I'm definitely lacing you guys up. Next, let's look at GBPAUD. Let's look at GBPAUD. So GBPAUD is pretty interesting. Look at this big downtrend, right? But this is what I see here. I see price making an this inverted head down here. Okay. And then prices seem like it's holding at this level. So we are already down testing the 50 on the daily chart. So this is going to be a great swing trade. All right. So what I'm looking at is, let's go down to a lower time frame. Okay, here we go. So now pull out this trend line, and you can see we already broke above it. And now we're coming back testing this level here. So we're looking for price to break this little flag pattern that we're seeing here. Let it break that flag pattern, because what you're going to start seeing now is this channel. Price is going to start playing in this channel right here, potentially. So break this flag pattern and we're out of here, okay? So that's what we're looking at for GBPAUD. Let's go down to the 1 hour, and you can tighten up everything and then just hang out and wait for it. Let the market come to you. So for the 1 hour chart, you can see prices underneath it. We would need to see price come back above this 50 moving average on this hour chart, and then we should be looking good. That may be an early entry, especially if it comes back above this 50, wicking out at the bottom. We already got this demand zone here, so we're looking good. We got price right where we want it, and we just need to be patient. So that's what we're looking for. I do like these. I do like this dip down here, this big demand zone, and then price comes back and make another little dip down and push up. So it's going to come back and test these levels for sure. I know that for sure. And as soon as it start breaking up here, I mean, take the buys, guys. This is a trade idea. This is my analysis. Always trade at your own risk, and never trade money that you're not willing to lose, okay? My goal is to make these videos so you can be on the right side of the market. I'm trying to help as many people be a part of that 3% as possible, all right? But it's going to take discipline, all right, and perfecting your strategy, perfecting your discipline, all right? So, guys, if you like this video, please like it. Comment below what are you thinking with these two pairs I just showed you. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.